Hello guys, welcome back. Now we will be knowing few tips about the interviews. Okay, so first of all, I would like to share with you something. When you attend an interview, the first and foremost thing that you have to maintain is self confidence. Okay, if you are asked a question about yourself or some testing topics or somewhere else, answer with confidence. You should have even if you attend a virtual interview or you attend a direct walk-in, the first and foremost thing that you need to maintain is um confidence. Yes, if you answer with confidence, even though if you are wrong, there are 80% chances that you would be selected for the role, because even though you're not so good at the topic, if you are confident enough to convince the interviewer that you are the suitable candidate, interviewer will think in such a way that okay, this candidate is good for the role because he has a confidence in him that will be helpful in the client calls. Software is all about the clients. Let me tell you very clearly, though we develop the products and etc., software is all about the clients. If you could convince the client in any issue, that's a win-win situation. And every software industry needs the employees with such a confidence. Okay. Second thing that you have to remember is, uh, let's say, if you don't know the answer, you are asked some 10 to 20 questions in your interview of half an hour or 1 hour, and you don't know a few questions, like let's say some 5 6 questions. Try to answer them. If you are still not sure what to answer for those questions, I'll tell you. Just simply say, "I'm not. I'm sorry. I'm not sure on this. No idea. I do not have any idea on this." You can simply say that. But you should not say for each and every question. Some 10 20 questions, one or two or three or four is okay. But those one, two questions or three, four questions that you may say no, that you do not have an idea, should not be the crucial questions. Let's say if someone asks what is testing, you say I do not have an idea. If you do not have an idea of what is testing, then why did you attend the interview? That would be the first thought of the interviewer, and he will simply reject you. So, let's say if someone asks what is alpha testing or beta testing, you may say that, like, if you are not sure on that, you may say I'm not sure on that, but as per my knowledge, there will be we'll be able to, like we in uh, in one instance we'll be going to client's environment, and we'll be testing the application in client's environment, and that's in another instance client would be coming to our place, and we'll be testing the application in our environment. In such a way you can say, though you are not sure what is alpha or beta testing. Okay. If someone asks what is requirement traceability matrix, you have worked on it, that's fine. If you have not worked on it, you may say that I did not, like, I was not involved in this preparation of requirement traceability matrix. Everything is taken care by my lead. So, in such a way, you may skip few questions. But if the questions are crucial, like if they say, what are the principles of software testing? What is boundary value analysis? What is a bug reporting? No, you cannot say I don't know. No, literally you cannot say I don't know. Because if you say I don't know, those are the crucial questions. Then they will think, if you don't know, how could you come to interview in the first place? Okay, you may go with an experience. You may be a fresher when you attend the interview, but be careful on answering the questions. Even if you go with an experience, and after going there, if you say if you are not able to answer the main crucial questions like bug reporting, sanity smoke, regression, etc., the interviewer will simply think that you are a fake. Okay. Whereas you might not be the fake. You have already worked with some other organization for a few years or at least 1 year. Okay, guys. So keep this in mind. While you go to interview, just prepare very well on all our concepts. I'm also sharing few interview questions from like I'll take them from different websites, and when I was working, what interview questions I got, I'll also share them. Okay, so that it would be helpful for you when you are going to an interview. Okay, next comes is this is all about the interview tips, guys, and applying for an interview, applying for an role. If you are applying on Naukri, or if you are applying on some Monster, or there is some other new tools have come up, right, these days, are applying on them, just be careful that like about the interview call letters. There may be few good and genuine, few may be fake, so be careful about that. And apart from that, I'll suggest you to mostly go on Naukri only. Okay, if you are going to apply on Naukri.com, okay, or any other job platform that you might think are good, the only suggestion I would give you is, instead of going for the paid versions, you update your profile every day. Log into your job profile, update it, add new skills, remove few skills, and re-add them. Save it daily. You do it daily so that the visibility of your profile be on top. And once the visibility of your profile is on top, trust me, guys, that's it. You'll get call letters. You'll get interview call letters like left, right, and center. You can attend them, and most of you might be the first interview, but I'll tell you, even if you are experienced, it would take at least 3 or 4 interviews to get a job. Okay, if you are trying to change a company, because you might be selected, but you would think about the package. And negotiation is something else. If you are a fresher, you might not be able to negotiate, but if you are experienced with more than 4 years, yes, if you are going with an experience of 4 years and above, try to negotiate for 100%. Why I'm saying this? Because if you would ask for 100%, they would give you at least 75 to 80%. That's a simple logic. And if you say no, because you should not degrade yourself in the first place. You have to sell yourself. You have to sell yourself in such a way that they should not be able to say no to your negotiation. You should accept your negotiation in the first place. That's how you get the interview. You crack your interviews. Even though you may have selected for 3 or 4 companies, you definitely see for the package, right? The company is paying you some 10 lakh per annum. Company B wants to pay you 12 lakh per annum. Company C wants to pay you 8 lakh per annum. and company D wants to pay you some 15 lakh per annum. Which one you would choose? Definitely choose 15 lakh per annum, right? But choosing that also, see, just do some background checks on the company, like if it is established well established, or how the employees are treated and everything. Okay, you can go through different websites like Glassdoor, Ambition Box, and etc., where you will have the company reviews and ratings. Go through each and every offer letter or the company you are going to attend, and be ready for anything. Okay, now coming to resume building, guys. I have taken a sample resume. It's one of my own resume that I want you to show, because I did not I have removed everything. Like, I don't want my details to be displayed here, but I'll share my personal resume. If you want a resume, uh, like if you want my resume for your reference, I would share it to you. But only thing is, you would need to drop me an email on my email ID that I have shared in some of the videos. Like in previous videos also I have shared it, and I have mentioned the same in introduction video also. You can reach out to me on my email ID, or I'll also give you my what we say, Facebook, Instagram IDs, where you can request me on the resume. My resume, I'll share you my personal resume. That's not a problem for me. But only thing is, you will have to ask. Okay, guys. So see, it would look good if you go with this format, or any other format you want to go. So name and the role. Role would be like QA engineer or test engineer, or whatever it is. If you are experienced, if you are not experienced, there will not be any role. You will mention your name, contact number, email ID. Professional summary. If you are an experienced, you will mention your professional summary dash and so and so years of experience as so and so role, and work experience in so and so domains, like banking domain or healthcare domain, and etc. 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 Okay, so you'll mention your experience in functional regression, whatever it is, P model, agile model, what all models you have worked on. So all these, okay. You have worked on API testing, mention Postman. If you have worked on performance testing, mention JMeter, and etc. And yeah, these are the professional skills you will add. You will mention domain knowledge. Okay, you will mention your domain knowledge, like you just seeing, right? Banking domain, no code platform, and etc. Next, you will mention your skills. If you have API testing knowledge, you will mention what tools you have used, performance system, what tools you have used, browsers, automation tools, defect tracking tools, and I will mention something like okay. Next, professional experience project. You will mention your projects, your project description, responsibilities, and your what do we say, skills. Okay, and your previous occupation, if any. Mention them. Your educational details, and here will be your signature. Okay, signature in the sense you'll write your name. Okay. This is all about the resume, guys. This is how you have to build. If you still want my personal resume, you may reach me on my email ID or WhatsApp number that I have shared in the introduction video and few other videos. Okay. Okay, guys. This is all about the interview tips, and resume building, etc. Okay, guys, see you. I hope you will be watching on. You'll be watching all my course videos with utter, utter concentration, and you will learn most of the topics with good knowledge, and you'll follow all the instructions I have given. You'll practice well, and all the best, guys. All the best for your future. And I'll be. This is the first course video I have added from my end. I'll be adding more like API testing, automation testing. I'll also add DBMS, that's database management, and API with automation, performance testing, whatnot. Okay, I'll add many videos, many course videos just for you guys. It's all for you. Okay, I want you to follow and learn more. Reach out to me for any questions, doubts you have, and I'll help. Okay, that's it, guys. Signing off. Bye bye. See you on automation video and see you on next course videos. Bye bye.